Stop making the biggest mistake when securing your home in 2026. You're probably spending too much, getting too little, or worse, buying into a system that simply won't protect you when it counts. As someone who lives and breathes home tech, I've seen the good, the bad, and the utterly useless. Today, we're cutting through the noise to find the absolute best budget smart home security systems of 2026. And before we dive into the countdown, let me tell you, the number one pick on this list combines an incredible 14-piece system with an unbeatable price point that makes true home security accessible to everyone. You're going to want to see this. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Google Nest Cam Outdoor. This isn't a full alarm system, but if you're purely looking for outdoor camera surveillance with smarts, it's a solid pick. Its best features include truly wire-free installation, crisp 1080p HDR video, and intelligent alerts that can distinguish between people, vehicles, and even animals. It's perfect for someone who's already deep into the Google Home ecosystem and just needs to add a robust outdoor eye. But here's the honest flaw: it's a camera, not a system. You won't get door sensors or motion detectors for inside the house, and without a Nest Aware subscription, some of its best features are locked away. From a smart camera to another excellent outdoor option that ramps up the video quality and adds a bit more deterrence. What if you want more than just basic monitoring? Stay tuned. At number 4, we have the Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight camera. This takes outdoor surveillance up a notch with 2K HDR video, an integrated spotlight that can deter intruders, and color night vision so you always know what's going on, even in pitch black. It's ideal for homeowners who prioritize top-tier video quality and active deterrence over a multi-sensor alarm setup. You can even connect it directly to your Wi-Fi, no hub needed. The biggest downside? Again, it's a camera system, not a comprehensive home alarm. And to get the most out of it, like cloud storage and advanced object detection, you'll likely need an Arlo Secure subscription. Now, what if you want that incredible video quality, but you absolutely refuse to pay monthly fees for cloud storage? Our next pick might just be your dream come true. Coming in at number 3 is the Eufy Security eufyCam 3. If 4K video and zero subscription fees are music to your ears, this is it. These cameras boast stunning 4K UHD resolution, innovative solar charging so they almost never need a recharge, and crucially, local storage that you can expand up to a massive 16 terabytes. It's absolutely perfect for privacy-conscious users who want high-definition footage without any recurring costs. The one honest flaw is that while the cameras are phenomenal, the overall system integration with door/window sensors and full alarm features isn't as seamless or comprehensive as a dedicated security ecosystem. Alright, we've looked at some fantastic cameras, but what if you need a true, full-blown alarm system that's still easy on the wallet and even easier to install? Get ready, because our next contender is a household name for a reason. Our runner-up, at number 2, is the SimpliSafe 9-piece wireless system. This is the definition of DIY-friendly professional security. It offers incredible flexibility with optional 24/7 professional monitoring, robust cellular backup, and a solid kit including door and window sensors, motion detectors, and a loud siren. This system is tailor-made for anyone who wants a reliable, simple-to-install, and expandable alarm that can genuinely protect their home without breaking the bank. The honest flaw? While the system is great, the individual components, particularly the cameras, can sometimes feel a bit basic compared to dedicated camera brands, and some advanced features are locked behind higher-tier subscriptions. We've seen some excellent options, but there can only be one number one. And this next system takes everything you want in budget home security, comprehensiveness, ease of use, and smart integration, and puts it into one truly unbeatable package. And the undisputed champion for the best budget smart home security system of 2026 is the Ring Alarm 14-piece kit. For the price, you get an absolutely comprehensive package: a base station, keypad, 8 contact sensors for doors and windows, 2 motion detectors, and 2 range extenders. It's ridiculously easy to install yourself, offers incredibly affordable professional monitoring options, and integrates flawlessly with Ring cameras, video doorbells, and smart lighting. This system is for anyone, and I mean anyone, who wants a complete, expandable, and user-friendly security solution that offers peace of mind without draining their bank account. The only real caveat, the honest flaw, is that while the basic self-monitoring is free, to unlock the true power of Ring, like video recording and professional monitoring, you'll need a Ring Protect subscription, which is an ongoing cost. But for what you get, it's still the best value out there. There you have it, the best budget smart home security systems of 2026. Now, these prices change constantly, so to make sure you're getting the absolute best deal right now, check the pinned comment and the description below for direct links to the lowest prices. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and let me know in the comments which system you think is the best. Stay secure.